So, hi everyone, how are you all?
Fine. How are you?
I'm fine. What about others? Are you all fine?
Yeah, we are fine.
Yes.
Yeah, so let's move on for today's class. As I said, you all people, in the next class, I will be telling you people how to communicate with the AI. And I have a presentation for you guys to just say things how AI works and what are the criteria you might give for the AI to work. Yeah, I'll be sharing my screen. Yeah. Is my screen visible for you people? Is my screen visible?
No,
No? Yeah. Is my screen visible?
not yet. No, no.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. So we have the first thing, well, whenever you create or when you communicate or when you want to build a website using AI, the first is the prompt making. And the prompt, yeah. The prompt should be first we go with step by step. Like if you want a website, first we give it as make me a website. This is the first step you do whenever you write a prompt. You should also specify things like build me a website with dark theme. Yeah, something like that. You should specify things first. First, you write like I'm a website builder. I want to make a website. Then you write make a website, and you tell the theme of the thing. Yeah, and next you use some of the keywords like what type of or what things you are using. When you're using css html things, your keywords will be like css html and whatever you think it is. And yeah, you use all the keywords like it should be interactive for the person. Interactive is a keyword there. And whatever you think, try to make it simple and in a one word. Like when you think the website should be captivating and people should get interested in it, you better add the keywords like interested and the captivating. Rather than writing it in a plain language, you could write keywords. Then you'll write the context or purpose and the audience. This is one of the important thing what you do. You write context, sorry, purpose and audience. Now when you build a study drawer which we were trying to build, and we had our audience as students, we should mention it. From first, if I go on telling what will be the prompt, like make me a website with a dark theme, and the keywords will be it should be captivating and interesting and not boring. And the audience will be which is useful for students. This is how you go on building a prompt. Yeah. If you even want things like page count, like you want to resist, like the website should not contain more than two pages, or the website should get over in a single scroll, something like that, you do it. And even the color palette, like dark theme with colors like blue, dark blue, black, or bright theme with colors like yellow, orange, red. Theme, you go even you can go specifying colors. Yeah. This is the same thing what I told. Yeah, it will define the purpose. Purpose is nothing but what type of website it is. As you are doing a study tutor, you mention it as a study tutor. If you are doing a e-commerce thing like which is related to business, you type it as it's related to business. And if you do things like it is related to travel or adventures things, you mention the purpose. And this is know your audience. It's the same what I told before. Describe who will visit. Like when you're creating a you think of creating fashion designing app, who will be your audience? Like the people who are interested in it, and tailors. Yeah, they will be your visitors. Yeah, that one you should mention. The visitors will be so and so. So you get a proper template and proper background according to the visitor. If it's a tailor, you may get background like something like clothes, scissors, all those stuffs. If it is a student, you may get things in the background like which captivates the visitor whoever visits it. Yeah. And next, list must-haves. Like in a study tour, must-haves are like quiz and a study planner maybe, and what else, and revision notes which are very important. Yeah, you list out things like that. Make me a study tutor, all those things you write whatever I have mentioned. And then you write like what must haves like it should be there should be a quiz for each chapter, and there should be a revision notes for each chapter. There should be key points for each chapter. This is how you build. Mhm. Yeah, here we go. The first prompt, yeah. What it says is the first prompt always will not be perfect. Like when you're building a prompt, you may not build a first prompt so perfectly and without any errors. It will be errors. So build first a base structure and core pages. Like first you build a prompt which is not too perfect, but not too nerdy than thinking about, yeah, not too perfect or not too wrong way. It should be related to the prompt, whatever you want to create. Like when you do a study tutor, it should be given as study tutor, and some of the important keywords should be mentioned. After that, you see it, review it, and identify what works. Like what is working in your project and what should need an advancement or adjustment, what should be improved in your website. You think of those things and just try to enhance it. And you add certain things like if you want to improve the structure of your website, you mention it. And if you want to make it more colorful, or if you want to specify some of the questions to be added, or make it a bit of competency level, so whoever the students could prepare so well for their exams. You do such things. And polish. Final touch is that you add some animations if you want, make the quiz to pop up after each lesson. And so it reminds the user to uh, visit the quiz, something like that, animations and all those things. Yeah. um yeah, this is what you should the mm, whatever the whatever you give the next prompt or anything, you refer before to the previous output. Like the background looks so colorful, make a bit less colorful, and add these things. You refer your website, sorry, the AI, the previous thing before you say the next thing. The AI will not get confused which part you're referring to. So if you just give make it bit less colorful, then it may think that maybe in the quiz part the colors are more, and reduce only the quiz part and the other form is the same. So whenever you give a prompt to make something properly, then you think about the last output and mention it, and then you follow up the prompt. That is what an important thing. Yeah, this is also important. Yeah. Yeah, whenever you say, be specific about what you're saying, like make it clear. Like you don't say build me, you be clear about your idea before you start prompting. You be clear and clear cut about what is wrong and what should be corrected. If you just give like for example, um yeah, you could give examples like if you really like some of the websites which you visit, like allow the colors of so and so website and make my website also look like that. Make the exact color in my website. If you want it to be more clear and specific, you could use that. When you have references with you, you could use those things. If in case you doesn't have any references, you want to create your unique, you could go with this, like make my website unique so no one else had used before, with the background to be unique. You can use words like that to make your website look even more prettier. Yeah, this was my um, thing about how to create the website by um, how to communicate with AI. And just a minute, just a minute. Yeah, do you guys remember in the last class we were about to create a website and we didn't actually completely do that? Do you remember it? A study tutor was just trying to do, but not actually we completed it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, so in today's class, as I explained you about polish your how to polish your um, prompt. So in today's class, we will be just um, polishing our website, whichever we have done. We'll just change things, what to be changed, and we will do it first. Yeah, yeah. In the last class, as you saw, we were facing a bit of difficulties in things like yeah, whatever we have given was not we didn't get proper desired output. So in today's class, we will make it proper and get a desired output. Is that fine? Do you get me what we're gonna do today in the class?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure. Let's start working on it. So what do you prefer? Should I work it in the VS or anti-gravity? Which do you prefer a lot? Which one you would say go with that? If you think you could go with the VS, of course VS, or if you think you really want to go with the anti-gravity, I'll go with it. What do you think?
BS.
Yeah. You want me to go with VS? Yeah, yeah. Just a second. Yeah, I'll share my screen right now. You can say me whenever my screen is visible for you people. Yeah. Yeah. Is my screen visible for you people now?
Yes.
Yeah. Can I get a second? Just not getting the file. I'll just create it so I could. Okay. Yeah. Cherry tutor. Got it. Yeah. Doesn't know why I'm not getting the file. Yeah. I'll try going with the other one in case it's fine. Fun facts, projects, some project. If loop, fitness, fitness. Create another file. I'm not actually finding it, so I check it. New folder. Yeah, I got it. Yeah, share my screen. Yeah. Uh, yeah. This is our file, and I'll paste the thing whatever we did in the last class. Yeah. Yeah, we have a single file as we did in the last class. I'll just copy things, whatever the code was given, paste it right here and save it. Yeah, is my Chrome like the window of the study tutor visible for you people? Are you
Yeah.
seeing the study tutor? Are
Yeah,
you? Yeah. So this is what we were trying to create in the last class, but we didn't get our desired output. Yeah. So in today's class, we'll try to alter it. And I think what was the thing we didn't get in the last class? We'll just check it. Yeah, we had a very minimal type of things. So we'll try making it harder for people. Yeah, make the Study tutor. I think so. I copied the other one. I'll just copy this one and paste and see. Yeah, we have the sections like this in grade 10th. That's hard. Yeah. Yeah. The thing is, each time when we go back, it asks again the board, the class, and the subject. So we make it the study tutor. It's fine, hard and fine. We make it to give quizzes less less. Yeah, make it the quiz. Make the quiz for lesson wise, and each quiz quiz session contain more than 20 questions. This is what I ask. Then we'll go on improving. Like we go on also ask add a type of key points for each lesson. Yeah, yeah, it's exactly right. Board, grade, subject, chapter, lesson, quiz. Yeah, got it. Copy it. Go back to this thing. Think we're getting each file or yeah, I got like each file thing, data structure, answer checking, recommendations. Yeah, give all things in one file. All things in one file so I can delete the previous one and replace the new one with it. And also add the revision notes section. Let's implement this and see if we get a really revision session notes. Yeah, yeah, we have sample chapters. Yeah, so I generate full downloadable HTML, 1,000 lines of containing this and this. I recommend option 2 with grade 1 to since it matches your original audience and will give the professional single file tutor that you can directly replace the current one with. Yes, sure. Give me the one. Yeah. Think so. You should communicate with the AI as if you're talking to your friend or the person you know. Um, yeah, you read all the commands what it give and just do that thing. Yeah. Let's wait for it to just analyze things and give. Yeah, I think so. We got it. I think so. It's like this. Yeah. Download the file. Yeah. Just ask to copy. Yeah. We already have a file downloaded. So wait. So file. File was downloaded, right? We'll check in downloads. This this one. Open. Yeah. And this is the same thing. We'll copy it. So run it now. Just check it here. Yeah, you got it. And change it here. PBSC, grade 10. Let's go for Kannada. Load lesson. Numbers and operations are mathematics, revision notes, formulas. Oh, start quiz. Yeah, it's not actually the thing what we said. So we go back to the AI and say, yeah, what if we try this thing? Only for the 10th. What if we make only for the 10th? So it doesn't get confused rather than going for all classes. Yeah, I'll try it out. Make the portions only for 10th, not other classes, and give revision notes for each chapter. Each chapter and quizzes. And also all subjects. I'll try it out. Yeah, yeah. Chapter-wise lessons, revised notes for every chapter, 20 question quiz per chapter, programming, sounds, attractive animation, dark mode, search chapter, chapter complete badges. I think so. We got for mathematics, science, and social, I think. social nationalism in Europe, nationalism in India, resource and development, agriculture, manufacture industries, political parties, outcomes of democracy, development, and globalization. Chemical reaction, acid bases and salts, metal and non-metals, carbon and its compounds, life processes, control and coordination, heredity, life reflection, human and electricity. Yeah, you got it. Uh, add Kannada and AI also in the list and try to put all chapters and be clear. Yeah, search it right now. Yeah, we got English, first flight, footprints without feet, Kannada, ತೊಟ್ಟಿಲು ಬುದ್ಧಿಯ ಬಲ ಹಸಿರು ಉಸಿರು ರಾಮಾಯಣ ಕಥೆಗಳು ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ಮತ್ತು ಸಮಾಜ ಕನ್ನಡ ನಾಡು ಜನಪದ ಗೀತೆ ಪ್ರಕೃತಿ ದೇಶಭಕ್ತಿ ಕವನ. Is it the 10th? A letter to God, Nelson Mandela. Yeah, this is 10th. Yeah, Census of India. Yeah, this is 10th. What Hindi? Yeah, we have 10 syllabus, whole 10 syllabus. Yeah, and you also don't forget to uh thank it or thanks. It's wonderful. Can you now give maybe file for it? It's time. Yeah. Next, I think we could develop it more and just give like previous year question papers also. Think so? Yeah. So we could really use it in case we have like all the previous year question papers listed answers. Yeah. Just open it here. Open file. Downloads. I'll just run it again. Just a second. Mhm. Okay. I'm gonna check it out now. Yeah, we have it here. Cast and smart study tutor. Revision note structure, chapter wise. Oh, it's just a starter structure. Okay, the structure is good and I want the files. We'll ask. The structure is fine. Can I get a code to actually do this project? Yeah, got it. We got it. We got it. Oh, we again have three files. I think so. Vision notes, engine, check answer, result, stuff, and I'll ask it to give in one. Um, give all things in one file. Give all things in one file. So check for all subjects, all revision notes with one. Okay, okay, okay. At least give it in three files. I'm just asking it for three files. Yeah, just save. Yeah, we have index.html where we have all these things. We have this thing. And this is a JavaScript. Oh, wait a minute, wait a minute. We have only like this thing in the HTML, I think so. Yeah, all the stuffs are from Java. Think so. Yeah. It's just saying we have three files, index.html and academic data.js and language AI data.js. Yeah, it's just asking if the structure is all good and fine. Yeah, we're all good and fine. We good. Okay, we got it. We got it. And the HTML. Meanwhile, I think create files for this thing. I will just generate it completely. Then move on. JavaScript, JavaScript. You can see here we have questions in Kannada also. Revision notes, Kannadada Mahatva Samskruti. Yeah, we'll just name things the same way. Control plus C, copy. And go here, add file, and here first we paste. Yep, copy this thing here. Paste the thing here. Save it. Go back. Okay. Yeah. Now that's the name of the file of HTML. We'll check it out. Index.html, which we already have as a file. Go select all XPS, paste it, save it. Yeah. That index file 2, we are done. And I think file 3 will copy it and create a file. Yes, copy the code, language equals data. Yeah. Let me edit and copy this thing. Paste it here. It's all going well to be. Yeah, we actually are going closer to our desired thing. I think we could go with science. Okay. We will go first chemical reaction. The lesson is like this. Start the quiz. Yeah. Rusting is a type of oxidation. Yeah. Kannada, Kannada Nadu, ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ವೈಭವವನ್ನು ವರ್ಣಿಸುವ ಪಾಠ ಕನ್ನಡದ ಮಹತ್ವ ಮತ್ತು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಕನ್ನಡದ ರಾಜಧಾನಿ ಯಾವುದು? Yeah, I think now we are getting closer, but not actually the output what we desired. Who was Lynch? Lynch was a farmer. Yeah. So we're getting closer to it, but not actually the thing what we want. So I think we could even try other thing rather than ChatGPT also. We could even try other things. I think it's only limited. The code we are getting is only for like the answer is you could see only for one question who's United Germany like Bismarck. We're getting only one answer, and there are no other stuff's answer here, and we're getting one question for one subject. Think that would be the limitation. I think so because and there's a limitation of not crossing a limit of this thing. Think so. So what if we try with Claude AI? We'll try it. Yeah. And what else? Yeah. I think so. We get only one time to do it. After we get the files, just leave the thing. Like so, it's generating files. Wait for it. After this output, I think the class will be done. I'm gonna end the class. Yeah. So in today's class, you learned how to communicate with AI. Yeah. It's still generating file. And so it takes a lot of time, as I mentioned, all the chapters with. And so you can see we're going to real numbers, unique answers, those stuff. I think so. It's the revision notes part, distance formula, all those formulas. And what else is going on right now? Yeah, it's the revision notes which is getting, yeah, displacement, oxidation, reduction, acids, neutralization. Yeah, it takes way too long because, as I said, all chapters and all. Now it's English. We have gone to English. Author, theme, name of the author, lesson name, important stuffs, and chapter title, footprints without feet. All the lessons of footprint without feet. It's yet developing it. Object, item, chapter, header, chapter. Yeah, it's now to Hindi and Hindi right now. Now it's in AI, I think so. Yeah, loops and strings database, span, notes, quiz. These almost done. Back to subjects. Second language, Sanskrit. It's working with Sanskrit right now. So it's math right now. Yeah, it's math. It's math and it's polynomials, science. This is the quiz part. All those things are for quiz part. Ranking, default quiz. Yeah. Think so if quiz is random, all things are going to be done. Yeah, it's finally done. Let's check on to the features. There are 7 subjects: math, science, English, social studies, Hindi, computer and Sanskrit. And 80 plus chapters, complete NCERT chapter list for each subject. Revision notes, key points, and formula for quick revision. Interactive quizzes, MCQs after each chapter with instant scoring. Dark aesthetic, purple, blue gradients. Okay. Progress tracking, visual progress bars per subject. Mobile responsive, works on mobile and tablets. What is the file name? We'll check it and then copy it. It's way too big file. Yeah, I could see. Think so. It's more than thousands of lines. Yeah, here we go. Copy it. Come here. Leave the stuff. Leave the stuff. Read the stuff. Paste the stuff. This one. Delete the file. Motorcycle bin. Let to motorcycle bin. So yeah, it's about how many lines? It's 2167 lines. We'll check how's the output. Oh yeah, you got it. Master your 10th grade. Complete lessons, revision notes, and quizzes for all subjects. Study smarter, not harder. 7 subjects, 80 plus chapters, 50, 100 plus questions. Okay, okay. Which one do you want to go? Mm, mm. Yeah, science. We'll go with life processes. No, no, no. Go for maths. Yeah, real numbers. Yeah, this is a short revision notes. As I said, it should be short. The main things here is like Euclid's division lemma, the formula, and fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Every composite number can be expressed in the product of their primes, and they are unique, irrespective of their positions. The same thing here. HCF into LCM, the formula. Okay. We go with quiz to check. Yeah, what is the HCF of 96 and 407? Which number is rational? Yeah, 22 by 7 is an irrational number. And yeah, we'll terminate in decimal because according to Euclid's division of lemma, yeah, you could see we got a lot of questions for this. Yeah, it's exactly working. It's all good and fine. So I think yeah, Cloud AI works better as compared to any other AI which you could go with notes. Polynomials alpha plus beta plus gamma plus alpha gives C by alpha, alpha, beta, and gamma. Yeah, that's formulas things. And what do we have? Quiz. Yeah, the degree of the polynomial is the sum of zeros of, yeah, the same question. Yeah, sum of zeros is, what is the sum of the zeros? So I think so we'll be getting answer. Yeah, I think we'll get yeah, answers too. Yeah, keep practicing, go through the notes again and try once more. If I again click the quiz, let me see. Yeah, we get a different questions. No. Yeah, we get different questions. Okay, we can add three. This one we need a paper to solve. So fine. Yeah, this is what how you communicate with the AI and get output. Yeah. So that's it from my side. If you guys think you could develop it more, I'll be sharing the file for you guys in the WhatsApp. So you could copy the file and make whatever the changes you want. Yeah. This will be your assignment for the week. I'll be sharing the file in the group and you use your own creativity and your own styles and make this project even more nice. Like you get notes like 4 to 5 lines. You make it give a whole summary of the lesson or important questions, or you include some of the previous year board questions. Yeah, like this you could improve it on your own. I send this file for you, and in the next class I'll be telling you to share the screen and show what are the implements you have done in the project and why you wanted to do that. Okay, we'll check progress. Here we have the progress. I think it's working. Progress. All right. Wow. Subject. I think so. This is the subject page. This is the home page, and progress is not working. Yeah, so you could add things and do whatever you want to the file and make it more look good and make it more useful for the 10th graders. Yeah. That is for the assignment for you think for you guys, and I think whatever I have explained so far, how to communicate with AI, it's crystal clear for you all guys. Yeah. Stop sharing my screen. And did you all get what the assignment is for the week?
Yeah.
Yeah, I doesn't want to hear that you were having lack of time, so you didn't do the project. Make sure when you attend the next class, you will be with your project because if you not practice, of course you will be facing difficulties. I think so. Why we were behind in the vibe coding is because you didn't practice prompt making, which I has given in the first class when I took about the vibe coding. I told you guys to practice the prompt making, and I doesn't think few people did that. If you had done so, it would be easier for you in these days. And I think it was a matter of 3 classes for you to for the vibe coding, but it took a lot of time for you people to get into it. It's because of lack of practice. So I doesn't want to see you guys not do the project in the next class. It's mandatory to do the project. It's fine. You can even do it in the phone because you have got Cloud AI, and of course you'll have files. You could do it in your phone also. I think so. Doesn't know if you can paste the code. Yeah, I'll search the alternative for the phone. I think Trisha is having the laptop, and thinks Nidish is having his PC at home. I think so. Are you having a PC, Nidish?
No, I do not have a PC.
Oh, it's fine. Um, yeah, Kampu has a laptop, so she could do it. Who else could do it? Yeah, then yeah, in phone also you could do. You could just generate the files and come and share it to me. So I'll show the output for you guys in my laptop. If it's not possible on phone to run the files, you just make all the alterations in your laptop, I mean in your phone, and give what are your ideas and give a proper polished file and share it to me. So I will show the output for you guys. Yeah, yeah. I'll show you the output for you guys. If in case you share it to me, I'll be showing the progress and making a video of the progress and sharing to you. And you can edit so you can see the output, how it's coming, and you can think about what changes you could make and make it and share it again. So I will make the video and send it for you guys. Yeah, this is how I could work for the people, those who doesn't have a laptop, and those who are having a laptop, you could do it on your own. Yeah, that's it for today's class. And in the next class, I want to see all of you guys with your own projects. Yeah, that's it.
Okay, thank you, Deeksha. So other student also you can what you can create your own code, and also you can apply to the anti-gravity or VS code and try to get the output. It is the best one to learn something new. Okay, with the help of Deeksha, you learned today how to create the uh, quiz, and also we have to get some informations about the subjects. That is, it's more benefit to us and also most important to us. Okay, now could you turn on your videos? All of you turn on your video. Kampu, Trisha, Kampu, are you there? Kampu, Trisha, PV. Okay, smile, please. Thank you. Okay, good night.
Thank you.